Hi there. Well, a lot of people have been asking for advice on whether they should come, how safe is the Canary Islands, what happens with my travel insurance, lots of questions. So I thought I'd try to answer some of them as best as I can. Obviously, I'm not here to give advice. All I can do is give you my take on things, how I interpret the information and how I feel about being here. So the first thing I'll address is Fuerteventura safe? Personally, I feel very safe here. There have been 0 deaths on the island. The cases have always been very low, and currently there are only 4 cases. The good news, which was announced on the 5th of August by the Canarian government, which is something pretty amazing, I think, is that they have taken out an insurance policy with AXA Insurance, which covers travellers to the island in the event that they are taken ill with COVID during their stay. It obviously doesn't cover you if you have COVID symptoms before you come, but if you are to be taken ill with COVID whilst you are on the island, they will cover any expenses that you incur in terms of hospital treatment, repatriation, and if you have to quarantine here, they will cover the accommodation costs during your quarantine. So in theory, that's an amazing offer, and it solves the problem of your holiday insurance not covering you for travel to the Canary Islands or to Fuerteventura because of the clause which says if you are travelling against government advice, which of course you are. So that removes that element. Of course, you still do need to take out travel insurance to cover you for any other eventualities, as this insurance simply covers you for anything related to COVID-19. So my conclusion is that it is very safe to come here, and the offer of the COVID cover by the government is a very generous offer that will give you some peace of mind. But do bear in mind that you have to quarantine when you get back. I will put the link to this information in the details below the video so that you can actually read the full information for yourself. I will also give you the latest information on the rules regarding mask wearing, and again I will put the link to this information below the video. And also, my aim in this video is to show you just how much things are back to normal here in Corralejo, other than the fact that you have to have a mask with you. Everything is open now. It's very few places that remain closed. There are people around, it's quite busy, it's August. There are a lot of travellers from other countries, mainland Spain, Germany. Obviously there are fewer UK tourists around at the moment, but hopefully that will change too. So it's 6 o'clock on a Wednesday evening. It's about a month since my last video, so I want to show you the difference on the high street, and I think you'll see there is a lot more open now. There's hardly anything that's still closed. The white shop at the top of the town was closed, but most things are open. You can see that there's lots more cars about, there's more people around, even the little shops are open, most of the bars and restaurants. All of Las Palmeras is open and has been for ages. It's really a case of writing a list of what's closed rather than what's open now. Walk and Mango are still closed, but that could be the time of day. Ooh, the supermarket's open again, Hipadino, that's been closed for ages, so that's a good sign. There's really very few things that are actually closed. So I would say that things were pretty much back to normal. Slow Boat Walk Buffet is open again. Apparently you have to wear a mask to go to the buffet. Jewellery shop still closed. La Tasca is open again now. So's Rock Cafe, Safari Centre. And again in that shopping centre, the plaza, there's a lot more open. Sorry, the restaurant centre, the plaza, there's a lot more open. Oh, Coco Banana looks like it's open. Don Pepe's open. There's hardly anything that's still closed, really. Okay, so it's now 8 o'clock. Just going to show you the bottom bit of the main street so you can see how busy it is. Loads more people around. And like I said before, it really is a case of what's not open now rather than what is open, which is really good. It really feels like it's back to normal. People sitting outside eating ice creams, people walking around. The Canary Islands is one of the few places in Spain, or I think the only place in Spain, where you don't have to wear a mask outside. But today they've brought in a ruling where you do have to wear a mask everywhere inside now. So if you go into a restaurant, you must take a mask with you and you must wear it at all times when you're not seated. So if you get up to go to the loo, you need to wear a mask. And you will get fined for not having a mask with you anyway, so it makes sense to keep a mask with you at all times, because you also have to wear it if you can't social distance for the required 1.5 metres if you're outside. So I'm not going to bore you with what is and what isn't open. I think it's very clear that things are open. I'm just going to do a quick walk round so that you can see for yourself. See how lively it is on a Wednesday evening in town. Obviously the restaurants still have limited capacity inside, so you do need to book if you're going somewhere that's popular. So I might as well show you the stunning view. People on the beach. And as I said, we're going to start at this end of the seafront walkway, and this is Corralejo, which is open again. You're open.
Hello.
Welcome back, finally. Busy too, huh?
Yeah, not
good.
bad, not bad, not a lot, not bad. Well done.
So there's still plenty of people around. Mixture, English tourists. Obviously, they have to self-isolate when they get back home. But there's still plenty of them here. It's early evening, obviously, so all the tables aren't fully booked yet. Hola. So you'll see that some of the places that were closed in my last video are now open, and there's just the odd thing that's still closed. Whether they are ever going to open again or not, hard to say. Again, lots of places nice and busy. Busiest night of the week, Wednesday, but even so, there's quite a few people out.
Hey, tomorrow morning, guys.
Right.
9 o'clock.
Okay.
3 guys, 3 local fathers.
Fantastic.
Marcus, myself, Dave, and Paul will swim 3.5 kilometers from Lobos Island to La Casina Beach.
Good for you.
Carry on Fuerteventura. Supporters.
Carry on Fuerteventura.
Carry on Fuerteventura. You can look at the bike here. It's on there, look.
Okay. Oh, cool. Oh, cool bike. All right. Well, good luck.
I'll give you my card.
I'll come back and sign it later. So this is the official tourist office. Sombrero is back open, but it's Wednesday, their closing night. All the tables are out there. This is where I think I'm going to come in tonight. La Terrazza Tapas Marisco. Fresh fish. Oh yes, yum. I videoed you a while ago, you remember? In the window one night? Good.
1 month ago.
Yeah, about, yes, I'm updating it to show that everything's open and busy now.
Make the video of the fish.
I did.
Make video something nice.
Okay.
Make video something nice.
Okay.
My video.
So cute, this place. That nice little table in the window there. Whoa! For tonight?
No, for tomorrow.
Oh, wow, amazing.
All for your customer.
Yeah, fantastic. Just on the back street now. Calle Hernan Cortes. The back of the Avanti Hotel. You can see it's all open down there. Somebody asked me about Café de Paris. Just for you, Café de Paris is open. That's the back of it. So I'm gonna have a drink. So it's still early, but now I'm gonna walk the length of Calle La Iglesia from the bottom. Again, remember this is a Wednesday night, not a Friday night or a Saturday night. And I think everything was open here before anyway. Got the side streets down here, Calle La Balena. I think you can see everything is pretty much open. Luna, great place. So as you can see, everything down that street, Calle La Niña, is open. Cleaning between each client. That's the rules.
Han abierto un
Perfecto, Martín. Impressive. I'll do a quick walk into Music Square, see what's happening in there. Not quite so busy here yet, but it is only 8:30. Lorita is open, everything's open. So if you want some English breakfast, place to come. Good. Hola, ¿qué tal?
Yeah, you do?
Yeah, good. Just doing an update video. So, open. really good circuit. So I'm in Bar Bougainville, my favourite bar, and I'm just finishing off one of the best sangrias in the town. Yum! Now I'm going to take you inside the bar and show you how cozy it is. So this has got to be one of the coziest bars in town. In the summer you can sit outside, and in the winter it's got little heated lamps. And then inside, that's really cute. Thank you. So look how cute this is. Hey guys. Hola. Oh, I haven't got my mask on, sorry. And this guy makes the best sangria in town. Very nice. Beautiful bar. Nice and cozy. And what's your name?
Mara.
Mara. Hi Mara. And
Marcos.
Marcos and Mara. Easy to remember. Thank you guys. Oh, that looks good. What's that? Piña colada. Nice. Thank you. So this is lubina, which is a local version of this, which is dorada, sea bass. Both caught locally. Both look pretty amazing. Yum yum. Well, I think the conclusion is that I liked my lubina very much. And Johnny liked his dorada very much too. His was much thicker than mine, but mine was amazingly tasty. So let's see how much it costs. That's going to be interesting. So thanks for watching. I hope you found this information useful. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe on the link below so that I can keep you updated of any other changes as they happen. See you soon.